Introducing the Westinghouse 194-watt portable power station and solar generator, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and off-grid living. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or facing a power outage, this powerful yet portable generator ensures you're never left in the dark. Equipped with a 194-watt-hour lithium-ion battery and a 300-watt peak output, this compact powerhouse can charge your essential devices multiple times over. But what sets the Westinghouse portable power station apart is its versatility. With the optional solar panel accessory, you can harness the power of the sun to recharge your generator anytime, anywhere. Its intuitive LCD display keeps you informed about battery status, output power, and charging status, so you're always in control. From smartphones to laptops, LED lights to mini fridges, the Westinghouse portable power station can handle it all, making it an essential addition to your outdoor gear or emergency preparedness kit. Power up your adventures with the Westinghouse 194-watt portable power station and solar generator. Wherever you go, stay powered with Westinghouse. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a new video.